Learn how to talk like Jamaicans, Part 5.
Wait. Blessings and respect, Wagwan. It's Artist Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziah the Great. You don't know, welcome back again to the Let's Learn How to Talk Like Jamaicans. You know, because of Uno, the whole thing a trend on TikTok, it a clap like 100 and almost 20,000 views the first one we do, and the rest of them a climb up. And all because of Uno make me, create a merch for put out there for Uno for who like Jamaicans and who be supporting Jamaicans. So please go support it. Amaziah the Great Collections on my Instagram and on my Facebook. So the link to Teespring is there, and you can just click the link and you can make a purchase. So big respect and salute to all of Uno for that. Anyway, you can start now.
When a person asks too much questions, the next don't wishes to give any info. What they say?
Me no know nothing. No ask me no question.
And tell me this one, in America we say rat. In Jamaica, if one carries information to another.
You chat too much. Ya informer?
When one witnessed something and has been warned.
See, I'm blind, ear, and deaf.
Now let's talk about sounds and expression you guys make. Jamaicans have a unique way to delivering information with facial expressions, body language without talking much. You agree? How would a Jamaican look disagreeing? Display frustration, bored or annoyed. Well done. Indicate to a female you want to make love to her. This one I always want to know.
Next.
Oh my God. And the final one is, hold a second.
Next question.
What is it, Artist Craig Kirkland? Wait. Sorry.
You fart? You poop. Think. What's wrong with you? Me gone.